Scalefusion is a powerful unified endpoint management tool widely used by organizations such as companies and educational institutions. Its primary function is to lock down devices like tablets, phones, and laptops into a controlled environment known as Kiosk Mode. This setup enforces strict security policies, restricts access to certain settings, blocks unauthorized applications, and prevents users from making changes without proper authorization. Understanding this foundational role of Scalefusion is essential before exploring whether it can be bypassed or removed without administrative credentials. Many users wonder if it is possible to exit or bypass Scalefusion on their own devices. The straightforward answer is no. Scalefusion is deeply integrated with the device's hardware and cloud management profile, making it more than just a simple app that can be closed or uninstalled. Without the administrator password or explicit permission from the account owner, there is no built-in option to exit the management system. This integration ensures that the device remains secure and compliant with organizational policies, preventing unauthorized access or modifications. There are numerous online tutorials and claims suggesting that users can bypass Scalefusion using methods like safe mode, recovery menus, or third-party unlocking tools. However, these approaches are ineffective for several reasons. First, Scalefusion is linked to cloud-based enrollment systems such as Google's Zero Touch or Apple Business Manager, which automatically reinstall the management profile after a factory reset or device flash. Second, many third-party unlocking tools are scams that may compromise personal data or damage the device. These factors make unauthorized removal attempts risky and generally unsuccessful. The only safe and legitimate way to remove Scalefusion is through official channels. The first step is to contact the IT department, school administrator, or the original owner who enrolled the device. They can access the Scalefusion dashboard and remove the device's serial number or IMEI from the management system. After this removal, reconnecting the device to Wi-Fi and restarting it will allow Scalefusion to be uninstalled according to the organization's configuration, restoring the device to normal use without restrictions. In cases where the organization that enrolled the device no longer exists, such as when purchasing a second-hand device or if the company is closed, there is still a path forward. Gather proof of ownership like a sales receipt or invoice and reach out directly to Scalefusion's official support team. By verifying legitimate ownership, their support staff can assist in clearing the cloud profile and unlocking the device. This process ensures that users can regain full control of their devices safely and legally, avoiding the risks associated with unauthorized bypass attempts.